This lesson is 4.11 in Go Math. It is on dividing by one-digit numbers. So the directions say to divide and check. If we look at number 3, we have 906 divided by 8. We know that 8 times 1 will go into 9. So 8 times 1 is 8. And then we're going to take those hundreds that we used, those 8 hundreds out of the 9. So we have 100 left that we'll have to regroup. Okay, next we're going to bring down the 0 tens. Since we're regrouping that 100 into tens, we have 10 divided by 8. So we have to think 8 times what is less than 10? We know the answer is 1 because 8 times 1 is 8. 10 minus 8, we have 2 tens left. And then we bring down the 6 ones. So now we have 26 ones divided by 8. So we have to think 8 times what is less than 26? And 8 times 3 is 24. So then we use the 24 ones, 26 minus the 24, and we have 2 left over. Now to check, we're going to take our quotient, which is 113, and multiply it by our divisor, which is 8. So first go up, we have 8 times 3 is 24. Regroup the 2. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Regroup the 1. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So that gives us 904, and it doesn't match perfectly with our 906 dividend because we have not yet added our remainder. So we're going to add 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6, 0 plus nothing is 0, 9 plus nothing is 9. So now our 906 matches perfectly with our dividend. So we know that our quotient of 113 is correct. Now for number 4, it says the Briggs rented a car for 5 weeks. So let's look at Briggs, and this is the weekly cost, or no, the total cost for 5 weeks was 985. Was the cost of the rental car, what was the cost of their rental car per week? So if we have 985 and it was for 5 weeks, we're going to divide 9 by 5. So we know 5 times 1 is 5, and we use the 500s from 9, and so we have 4 left. We'll bring down the 8, so now we have 48 divided by 5. I'm going to change my color. Okay, 48 divided by 5. We have to think 5 times what is less than 48? I know 5 times 9 is 45, so I'm going to take that out, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Now I'll bring down the last ones, and 35 divided by 5 is 7, because 7 times 5 is 35. I have no remainder this time. So what was the cost of their rental car per week? $197 per week. Okay. All right, just for number 6, Josie got an answer of 167 remainder 4 for 505 divided by 3. Explain and correct Josie's error. So find what she did wrong and then fix it. You've got this.